Musa Brenna from Bishop's Girls presenting number 5. Can we all read it? Workshop on a rectangular piece of land. The length of the land is 4 meters longer than its width, and the total area of the land is 96 square meters. And in A, they're asking us, what is the width of the carpenter's land? So from the scenario, this shows that we are going to first manipulate in the area and we get the width of the land. So what do we do first? They are saying that the length is 4 meters longer than its width. So we first draw out our table in order to solve them very clearly. This is our area, our width, and the length. But they have not given us the width. They have only told us that the length of the land is 4 meters longer than its width. So we are going to let the width to be any constant. So what can we use? S. So we are letting our width to be x, and we are filling it in the table. And our area is 96 square meters. So that means that they have said the length of the land is 4 meters longer than its width. So if the width of the land is x, then the length is x plus 5 plus 4. And from the area we get that area equals length times width. But we have our width as 96 square meters. So our area as 96 square meters. So we are going to say 96 is equal to our length is x plus 4. Then times our width, which is x. So we are going to put this one in brackets. So at this stage we open our brackets. What is x times x? remaining with 0 this side is equal to x squared plus 4x. Then when this 96 crosses to this side, it becomes a negative, and it is going to become negative 96. And we rearrange our equation, having x squared plus 4x minus 96 is equal to 0. So here we can use any method to solve this quadratic equation. We have the quadratic formula, the graphical formula, and the combination of squares. So which one can we use? So we are going to use the quadratic formula. How does it state?
Plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac out of 2a.
So from here we are going to first sort out our. So we are going to say our b equals 4, and then a 1, and c
Negative 96.
So from our formula, we are going to substitute these ones in our formula now.
4 plus or 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 96.
So we are going to put this one in brackets.
400.
So after writing here, we are going to use either. We use positive for either and a negative for all. So we are going to have either x equals negative 4 plus 20 out of 2. What is negative 4 plus 20?
16.
What is negative 4 minus 20?
Negative 24.
What is negative 24 out of 2?
Negative 12.
So from here we have, at this moment we do not consider the negative side of this question. We only take the positive side. So here we got our answer as x equals 8 and x equals negative 12. But because we are calculating a quadratic equation which has two parts, one of which is negative and another one is positive, and because we are working upon none, which we do not expect to be negative, therefore we are taking our x equals 8 as the answer. So we are going to say that our width, which was x equals 8 meters, and our length is equal to 8 plus 4, which is equal to 12 meters. Therefore, the width of the carpenter's land is 8 meters. We are now going to B. We can read the question again for part B.
How much profit will the carpenter earn from the school's order?
In the scenario, they say that recently the carpenter received an order from the school that wants both single beds and double-decker beds. And from his past records, he knows that when he sells 2 single beds and 1 double, we let the single beds be some constant and the double-decker beds be some other constant in order to form equations from them. So what can we use for single beds?
X.
And double-decker beds?
Y.
They are saying he knows that when he sells 2 single beds and 1 double-decker bed, he makes a profit of 25,000 Uganda shillings. So we are going to say 2x plus 1 would be equivalent to 25,000 shillings. And then, when he sells these 3 single beds and 3 double-decker beds, he makes a profit of 54,000. So we are going to have 3x plus 3y equivalent to 54,000 shillings. So these are our equations from the scenario. And these equations, we can use various methods of solving them. These are simultaneous equations. So we can either use the elimination method, the substitution, the graphical. So which one can we use?
Elimination.
So we are going to use the eliminate here.
X.
So we are going to eliminate x 2x plus y will be equivalent to 25,000. And 3x plus 3y equivalent to 54,000. So in order to eliminate our x, we see that in the first equation we have 2x and in the second equation we have 3x. So this we have no way of eliminating x minus first making them equivalent. So how can we make them equivalent? So we are going to multiply x here. We are going to get this 2x multiplied in the second equation and get the 3 multiplied in the first equation. So what is 3 times 25,000?
25,000.
And 2 times 3x?
6x.
2 times 3y?
6y.
is negative 33,000 divided by negative 3?
11,000.
So we are now having our y as 11,000, but we don't have the x. So we are going to substitute this y in this first equation in order to get the value of x. We can either substitute it here or here, any equation that you prefer. So we are going to use the first equation, which was 2x plus y equivalent to 25,000. So we don't have the x, but we have our y as 11,000. So we are going to collect the like terms together, and this 11,000 is going to be transferred to the right hand side. What is 25,000 minus 11,000?
14,000.
We divide both sides by 2. And now they are saying that the school has asked him to supply 5 single beds and 2 double plus 2y. And our x is equivalent to 7,000. Plus 2 times y, which is equivalent to 11,000. What is 5 times 7,000?
35,000.
What is 2 times 11,000?
22,000.
What is 35,000 plus 22,000?
57,000.
And in the question they ask, how much profit will the carpenter earn from the school's order? Therefore, the carpenter will earn a profit of 57,000 from the school's order. This is the end of item 5. Thank you very much for listening.